This is how you manually take a backup and manually restore your site to a previous point. Okay, so now what we have to learn is how to automate this or schedule this backups. See if so that you don't have to manually take this backup every time, and you can actually focus on creating content and not worry about missing taking backups. So to take schedule backups, for what we have to do is go to settings, and from here file backup schedule, and from here you can select setting you want. So for example, I want to take backup daily, so click on daily and retain. For here I will click on 7 and same 7. So now what this will do is this will take a backup daily and retain it for a week. So one backup for every week, 7 backup for you, so you will always have backup of the last 7 days. Okay, now what we want to do is choose a remote storage, because obviously if something goes wrong with the server or it gets hacked, then your backup will also be gone. So now what we have to do is select remote cloud storage, so that even if in case our website gets hacked or there is any problem with the server, we will still have our backup. So for example, here I will select Google Drive, and you can and if you have a very mission critical site or a very important site, what I would suggest you to do is use this option. You can send send your backup to more than one destination, so that it will also be stored in another place. Just in case something goes wrong with your Google Drive or it also gets hacked, you will have another alternative backup stored. But this is really very for the sites which have very important data, or there's a high risk of getting hacked. So, or if you just want to be safe, I would suggest you to do is select backup to more than one destination. So if you want to backup to more than destination, you will require an add-on. To get this add-on, please click on the cards link here. You will see a arrow key. Okay, so now let's go back to the tutorial. So now what you have to do is just keep this things default and click on save changes, and then you will see remote storage authentication. Then just click on this link to authorize Google Drive account. Now from here select your Google account. Now you will see what this plugin will have which permissions. Click on allow. Okay, from here you will be able to send backups. So now click on complete setup. Okay, so here you can see this message. You have authenticated your Google Drive account, name as WP, your Google Drive quota used, and this much data available. So now what you have to do with now, this will take a scheduled backup every time, and so daily this will take a backup every day, and for 7 days it will keep it, and after 7 days your backup will be deleted. So you will always have backup for the last 7 days, and you can see all the backups available from last 7 days here. So okay, so now let's learn how to take backup, manual backup, and store it on your cloud. Click on backup now, and now this time select this option, send this backup to remote storage. Click on backup now. Now you can see the log message, it is uploading to the Google Drive. Okay, so now let's close it, and you can see here show all backups. You can see here this has been uploaded also to the Google Drive, and this was the first manual backup we took, and it was not stored on Google Drive. So let's check our Google Drive if this backup is available there. And here you can see this folder. Now you don't have to make any changes to this. This is just to show you that it has been successfully uploaded to Google Drive. So let's close this and go back to our dashboard. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any suggestion or feedback to improve tutorials, please post in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.